Hi guys, it's Nitu and it's summer! Yay! I love summer. I love it when it's hot, though it's been like really hot. I prefer this than minus 30 or even 0 or even 10 degrees. I prefer it to be really hot than to be 10 degrees. I just like it. I'm like a lizard and I get really, I have cold feet, cold hands, so I'm always cold anyway. But so the last few days it rained, so it's a bit cloudy and it's not that bad. It's a bit cloudy, but anyways, enough about the weather. So I'm here with a makeup tutorial, and this is an orange makeup tutorial. I actually have it on my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips, and some might think, wow, orange is such a strong color, you can't wear it on all over your face. I disagree. I think you can wear any color you want, anywhere you want, at any time. Just do whatever you want. And I think that it does work. I'm using a more yellowy orange or peachy orange than a red orange, if you know what I mean, because it goes with my yellow skin tone better. I think orange can work all over, and yeah, just try it and see if it works on you. So if you want to know how I did this makeup, please keep watching. So when doing my makeup, I usually put my hair behind my ears, and I have really big ears, so it holds my hair very well. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put concealer on, and that's just because I have really horrendous under eye circles, and I've got this kind of red spot right there right now. Anyways, I'm going to put some on my cheeks too, just because I have some scarring and things on my face. I do not have the best skin, honestly. Okay, then I'm going to use this BB cream. This is the Etude House Cotton Fit BB cream. And this is really nice for summer because it's not very oily, I guess, as some BB creams can be, and it has SPF 30 in it. If you like having SPF in your BB creams or foundations, it's good. Otherwise, I mean, it's hard to find BB creams and foundations without SPF in it though. Sometimes I like not to have SPF in my foundations and stuff. So I just dab. And now I'm going to powder my face with this really cute compact by Tony Moly. The powder inside is okay, but I just bought this for the packaging. Wait, let me show you what it looks like close up. So that's what it looks like close up. And inside it has a, you know, the powder like that in the mirror. And I'm just going to dab on the powder because I don't want to ruin what I did or rub away what I did underneath. So I dab like that, and that helps, you know, get the powder into your skin. And I've been using more powder these days because it's summer and my skin has gotten a bit, you know, oilier. I am going to shade a bit because I gained weight and I think my face looks fatter. So to make my face look a bit slimmer, I just darken on the sides of my face. I'm just using a blush by Yves Saint Laurent. Did I say blush? I meant a bronzer. Sorry, I'm darkening with a bronzer by Yves Saint Laurent. Shading. Onto my eye makeup. First, I'm going to highlight using this light color, just any kind of white, kind of sparkly. Eyeshadow can be a highlighter, and I just put that especially on this part of my eye. And the inner corners. And up here on the bridge of the eye. When you highlight on this part of your eye, I think it makes you look cuter, but it also makes your eyes look wider apart, and so it's useful for people who have eyes that are too close together. But I don't have that, but I still highlight anyway because I think it looks cute. So I'm using two different orange eyeshadows. This is OR201 and it is from the My Eyes Cafe by Etude House. They're both by Etude House, and this is a sparkly one and this is a matte one. And so that's why I'm using both of them, because I do want my eyes to be a bit sparkly. But this is matte and this is the right color that I want. This is the orange one, OR201. This is the sparkly one, OR202 by Etude House. So here they are. This is matte and this is sparkly. When you swatch this one, it looks like that. And when you swatch the sparkly one, it looks like that. This hardly shows up at all on my skin tone. So I have to mix them together or only use this for like orange to actually show up. Otherwise, it just looks like I have some gold sparkly eyeshadow on, but very pale gold. This is hardly shows on me. This one shows up very well on me, but you know, it's matte and I want some sparkle in it. So that's what they look like on me. This is more of a yellow orange, but maybe on someone else who's pale skinned, it will look more orange, like actual orange. Taking the darker matte orange and I'm putting that on my eye first, and I'm just concentrating on the lower part. So now it looks like that, which is pretty orange. This is gonna tone that orange down a lot. This is the sparkly orangey color, which doesn't really show up as orange on me, so it works for this. But if you have like a pale, very light orange with gold sparkles, then you can use that. So I'm putting that all over and I'm gonna concentrate on the ball as well. And now it looks like that. And now I'm just going to make a cat eye eyeliner on top. So I'm not going to line the bottoms, but you can do that too. But I'm just going to do a cat eye. So I just put eyeliner on both my eyes now, and I put mascara on just like that, you know, normally how like everyone puts on mascara. So I didn't film it, but this is the Clinique High Impact Mascara that I used. I have to be careful with this because it smudges a lot. But anyways, this is what it looks like. So I purchased this from Etude House. It's the ColourPop number 3 lip tint, number 3 lip tint. So they have repackaged this and made more lip tints, and they have more colors. The one that I have is quite orange, like it looks like it's really orange, but it is more yellow orange when you put it on your lips. So it's a lip stain with a bit of a shine to it. I'm just going to use the stuff that was on the back of my hand and put some on my lip. I generally do my lips and my cheeks last, and it's my favorite part. So I'm actually going to use this as a blush as well. Well, I'll do this side first. And that's it. That's how I did it. I think it's really easy to do and really fun to do, and orange is such a fun color. It's so bright and summery. Thank God it's summer. I love summer. I don't want summer to end. Let's not think about that though. But thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Bye!